guys, and welcome back to Kirsties'Karz. I know it's been a little bit. I'm trying to get the hang of, all the stuff that's going on in life. But it takes time. Once the kids start going back to in-person school, everything should get a lot easier for me, and I'll have a lot more time to get stuff done. But as is, Saturday is my only day off, so I am going to use it to its full extent and get some stuff done today. I definitely need to clean the garage up a little bit. The amount of parts has become ridiculous, and I'm running out of room. So I am going to clean up some stuff real quick, and then I need to change the oil on the Subi. So I'm going to take 10 minutes and do that really quick and get it out of the way, so that way I can make my way to the Nova and feel good about it. Now, knowing that I'm upkeeping the Subaru as well, she is not being neglected. So I'll get that done, then we'll head over to the Nova, and I have, I think it's one hanger that needs to be taken off just to get the headers out, the exhaust down there. The other side the hanger was already broken, so when we unbolted the headers, it just came off. Got that side to take off, and then, oh yeah, I was going to try to start removing the trim around the windshield. I'm planning on ordering that and doing it myself, so hopefully that'll save me some money and I can learn something. After that, I had planned to start moving wires over to one side so that I can focus on one side, get it all cleaned up and looking good. So that's the plan. Who knows how much I'll actually get done, but let's just have fun with it. You guys, so I've been taking my sweet time with this tonight. I really don't have much going on. It's a Saturday night and it's my night off, so I'm just being lazy and getting stuff done and just enjoying myself. I cleaned up my garage, got it organized so that I can breathe a little easier, and got the Subaru jacked up, got the oil draining. I'm gonna do the oil filter next. put back in the crush washer and the drain plug, fill her back up, and then we will pull her on out of the garage and get started on the Nova. So let's go. Words of wisdom. Do not, just don't take your daily driver to the dunes. Like, oh my God. There is literally sand everywhere. It's flippin' everywhere, and it doesn't matter how much I flippin' power wash underneath here, and scrub and like little lick brushes and like trying to get it out of all the crevices. Like, it just doesn't work. So just words of wisdom. Do not take your car to the dunes. Like, look at this. Freaking sand caked everywhere. And I try so hard to get it out and it just won't go. Like, the dunes just want to stick with me. Like, I like the dunes, but damn, dude, it's everywhere. And now all my oil leaky stuff is like sandy and oil leaky. It's just a fantastic mixture and it's so fun. The Subaru all taken care of. Now it's time to get started on the Nova. Let's see how much we can get done before I'm exhausted. And this windshield is way worse than I thought. Check it out though, it's gonna be a piece of cake to get out, I bet. Oh yeah, she's already loose. I got this.
All along, I feel like you need your space. Prisoner in your own home that ain't great. But I know that you and me are safe. We'll finally get away.
Alright, you guys, I'm in the soupy, and we got the oil done, and we got what we needed to get done, and I feel good about it, and I feel hungry, so I'm on my way to Taco Bell, and I can't wait to see you guys next time. Alright, you guys, it's the next day, and I don't work till this afternoon, so I'm gonna try and get some more stuff done, and in between editing the video from last night, and I'll mix it all together and give you guys a great show. Let's go. Let's see how dirty my cabin filter is in the Subaru. Got the glove box down. It's pretty much just pulling this from this. And then you gotta push these levers out of here. And then it just drops down. This unclips from there. Well, what do you know? There's like one leaf in there. One flippin' leaf. That's about it. Psh. Oh, that was pointless. Alright, well, at least I know it's clean, right? What can you do? Okay, so I'm back at it. I'm trying to get all of this stuff cleared out of my way. Pretty much a lot of the stuff wasn't connected when I started pulling apart. So some of these things I have no idea what they go to. I have some pretty good guesses, but I mean, I know that has to be where the heater core goes. But yeah, there's just so many random plugs and stuff that wasn't connected to anything. So I'm trying to attempt to label these wires before I move them all out of my way, so I have somewhat of an idea of where they all go back together. Wiring is not my forte, but I'm trying to do this the smart way, which I bet would not be ripping out all the wires. Maybe that's the easier way. I don't know. I'm just doing with what I think I should do. Hopefully I'm right. I just got done blinging degreaser everywhere. It's totally in my hair everywhere. Can't see it, but it's there. I felt it. That stuff does not come out. It sticks where it lands, and that's just how that goes. So I'm totally excited. It's like, oh my gosh, it's everywhere. But at least it's not on the car, because I got it off. That is a good sign. Anywho, what is underneath all that stuff actually looks pretty good. The metal's all pretty good, and I'm pretty content with it, and I'm just ready to call it a night. Get in there and start editing this. Bye-bye. Man, look at my flashlight. That was clean before this. Anyways, let's check it out. Man, oh man. She's looking pretty good. Yeah, no big complaints here. I don't even know what to do with myself. It's so empty. Woo! What a fun time, though. Thank you guys for joining me, and I'll catch you around next time.